Questions 17, 18, and 19 on the review. So question 17 asks about the Pythagorean theorem, which we all know is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The hypotenuse, remember that must be the c, is 25 centimeters long. A leg, y, is 4 centimeters less than 4 times the length of the other leg, x. So which system of equations can we use to determine the lengths of the two legs of this right triangle? Okay, so the first thing we know is that a squared, well, let's not use, we said we're going to let our legs equal x and y. So x squared plus y squared has to equal our hypotenuse, which is 25, but squared. So really that is x squared plus y squared equals 225. The second equation has to do with this one about the legs. A leg of this triangle y, so y is 4 centimeters less. So I'm going to subtract 4 from 4 times the length of the other leg. So 4x minus 4. So our system of equations is x squared plus y squared equals 225 and y equals 4x minus 4. We're not asked to solve these, just to find the system. Question 18. Find the x value to the solution. So I don't really care about y, just the x. However, this is already set up with x is equal to something. So I'm going to use substitution, as that's already created for me. So when you plug this in to the equation, we've got 3 times my x, which is 3y, plus 1 minus 5y equals 11. I'm going to distribute the 3 by multiplying it. So I have 9y plus 3 minus 5y equals 11. Combining like terms, I get 4y plus 3 equals 11. And let's subtract our 3 from both sides. We now have 4y is equal to 8. I have to divide by 4, so we get y is equal to 2. I then plug this back into my equation, and I'll use the second one. So x is equal to 3 times y, which we said was 2, plus 1. X is equal to 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 equals 7. So our solution in this case is 7. Notice I'm not writing as an ordered pair because the question is only asking for the x value. So my answer is 7. Question 19. Again, just what is the x value? Both my equations in this case are in standard form. So I'm going to go ahead and use elimination. Neither of my y's or x's have the same coefficients, so I'm going to have to multiply by something. I'm going to eliminate my y's because I only want my x. So if I multiply this bottom equation by 5, I will have the right value, 5y, to eliminate y's. So 5 times 2x is 10x, 5 times y is 5y, and 5 times 4 is 20. I'm just going to rewrite that top equation so we can see what we're doing. All I'm doing is rewriting it underneath. And now I'm going to add these two equations together. 10x plus x is 11x, 5y minus 5y of course cancels, and 20 plus 2 is 22. If I divide by 11, I get x is equal to 2. And again, my answer in this case is the x value. I don't have to go back and solve for y, as the equation doesn't ask me about y.